So for me, it's really exciting to see what has happened over the last 12 months since the last drink tech. Our daughter company Syskron has really committed itself to update their technology, to come up with new functions. We talk about edge computing now, predictive maintenance, cloud-based solutions, which have already been installed at a number of our customers. And what I'd like to emphasize is we not only concentrate on new technologies, also our old portfolio, like a Botec system, a process control system for breweries, comes along with new releases, new features like ERP interfaces, like track and tracing, like a vector-based visualization. And if our Syskron daughter company keeps up to that speed, I'm pretty sure we will be the system integrator for our industry in future. And this will not be the last time that you will hear from us with new releases.